One of the best ways to discover the curiosities of the Canary's natural environment is to explore protected areas. Four national parks that exist in Spain are located in the Canary Archipelago. Reserve and interpretation centres, or signposted routes with different levels of difficulty, are just some of the attractions awaiting visitors to these protected areas. Lofty summits and deep ravines shelter a wide variety of climates. This variety of climates gives rise to a unique flora and fauna, with numerous endemic species, where we can find traces of biotopes from many of the Earth's zones and eras.